At least 8 children were killed in floods that swept away houses in central and eastern Afghanistan this week, the UN Children's Agency UNICEF said on Tuesday, adding that more children were missing. In rural areas, villages have been destroyed and thousands had lost livestock and crops. In the eastern city of Jalalabad, central urban areas were not spared destruction, UNICEF aid workers said. Water up to 2 meters high knocked down walls, destroyed belongings and left a thick layer of mud throughout inundated neighborhoods. UNICEF aid workers said they were concerned over the risk of outbreaks of waterborne diseases such as cholera due to contaminated drinking water, with footage showing a session on fluorinating water being conducted. Veronica Hausa, a UNICEF aid worker in Jalalabad, said trauma among flood survivors was a concern and UNICEF had sent teams to provide mental health support to the worst affected families.